Hello, I am Esther. Today I'm going to cook one of my favorite side dish, peperonata. Peperonata is made all over Italy. That means that almost every family have its own recipe. I will show you how I do this. I live in the countryside and most of the vegetables I buy comes from a garden or a farm because I believe that it is important to follow the seasonality of the ingredients and to support the work of the farmers. And then it is better taste, it has a better taste. I will use 3 big beautiful onions because between onions and pepper is a marriage of true love. I have red and yellow peppers, but you can use the color you prefer. If you use all 3 colors, if you add the green pepper, it will be better. And some tomato puree, and I will use also salt and pepper. And of course, extra virgin olive oil. I peeled and cleaned the onion and I will cut in thin slices. Cut the peppers in 4 and then in small pieces. Put the onions in a pot together with extra virgin olive oil and gently fry until the onion will be wilted. If you want, you can add a pinch of salt to help this process. Add the peppers. Add the tomato puree. I used a little bit more than half a bottle, but as usually, I will list all the ingredients in the info box. I had also a little less than half a bottle of a glass of water and season it with salt and pepper. Stir, cover the pot and let it cook in low heat for almost 45 minutes. Always remember to stir now and then and to taste it because you have to see if you need to add more seasoning and if the peppers are ready. When the peppers are done, hide the fire to reduce the sauce. Always stir to prevent the peperonata to stick to your pot. You can serve it both warm or cold as you like it. I will serve it with some toasted bread. Enjoy your meal. Goodbye.